Welcome to the QHS Sneak Peak for the week. A week of growth, sharing joyful moments, learning and developing the new you, masterful and wise. Reminder that this is the last week of the 30-day HHS Meditation Challenge. And on Monday, Wow You Can Cook is featuring a Thai cucumber salad with an amazing dressing. Healthy, simple, delicious, and anti-inflammatory. Wow! Monday and Thursday on Vibe Tribe is Let's Go with the Flow. Shift your focus just enough to see that everything is happening for you instead of to you. Tuesday on Key is Be the One. You are the one called to a higher destiny. It's easy to tune into your inner guidance with practice and awareness. Aha moments become an everyday event. Key is the key to unlock your personal mastery. Tuesday's Prayerchain theme on Pray For Me is Rejoice, Strong Will, Alive in Spirit. This means standing firm in faith in the midst of life's challenges. Prayer is a GodSpark Prime Directive. On Wednesday is the wonderful volunteer call with inside scoop for active members seeking to take a role in QHS projects. If you're interested in all things QHS and want to help, this call is for you. Thursday on WOW, Dr. Gloria presents ergonomics. Chronic pain is often caused by being unaware of your actions. Take inventory. This call will set you straight and awaken you from the dormant autopilot routine, setting you up for less than optimum. Breathe on Friday. This class is transformational, particularly when we breathe with intention. Wow Can Breathe is the perfect place to harness our breath to release what doesn't serve us. We close the week with the fabulous Q&A call. This is the members sharing their experiences, bringing their questions to the team for answers. This is all about the global focus of QHS, where we've been and where we're going. It's the time capsule to every week. Our amazing admin team loves seeing your smiling faces on live Zoom calls and hearing your incredible testimonials. Check the newsletter for complete details of each event. You can find all the links to join each call on the website's community resources page. Make it a beautiful week, my friends.